Hello everyone. Till now we have learned about the introduction, meaning, characteristics, objectives, and in the last lecture we have learned about the advantages. Now coming to the next lecture, limitations of accounting. So, number one, non-financial transactions. Transactions means exchange between two or more persons in terms of money, which is termed as financial transactions. Economic transaction also you can say. Non-financial. So how come non-financial with the limitations? Okay. In the books of accounts, we used to write the transaction which can be measured in terms of money itself. Okay. But non-financial too affect the business. As such, if an efficient employee leaves the organizations and for that reason, if my enterprise is earning a loss, then we cannot write in the books of account just because of Mr. X leaving the organization, we have incurred a loss. Okay. In the books of accounts, even we cannot write about the honesty, loyalty of the employees, about the commitment of the employees for the organizations. Okay. These all things doesn't come in the books of accounts. So it is the limitation. Stable value of money. Stable, fixed value of money. Okay. Supposedly 5 years back, I have purchased a furniture worth rupees 5 lakhs. Okay. After 5 years, I need to replace the furniture. But as per books of accounts, we think that the value of money is stable. Before 5 years, the furniture value is 5 lakh. So after 5 years also, we will think the furniture value is 5 lakh itself. But it is not correct. Value of money is never stable. Just because of inflations, before 5 years it is of 5 lakhs. So right now it might be possible it is of 8 lakh. Might be possible it is of 3 lakh even. Okay, but accounts consider the value of money as stable. Historical events in past. Accounts, with the help of books of accounts, we can come to know about the past which happened. Not about the present, not about the future. Past is already done with. In past, we have incurred crores of profit. Who is giving me the certainty that this year also I will be earning the same crore of profit? Who will give me the certainty that in the future also I will be earning the same amount of profit? So nobody. So it's all the historical events, transactions, but present and future, it's of no use. Based on that, we can ascertain. Estimates we can, but estimates are never correct. Avoidance of market value. Again, okay. We depend upon the book values. Whatever is written in the books of accounts, we depend upon that. So machinery value is 50,000. Every year we used to do depreciation. In Gujarati we call it as gasaro. Suppose you purchase a vehicle for rupees 1 lakh. After 3 years, you will not get the same value 1 lakh. You will get the less amount. Why you are getting the less amount? Because you have used a particular vehicle for a few years. So it is depreciated. Accounts used to avoid the market values. Your vehicle is a rupees 1 lakh. Okay, its estimated life is a rupees 5 years. So every year 20,000 vehicle, rupees 20,000 vehicle you are using it. Okay, but accounts depend upon the book value. In market, whatever the value is there, if you are selling the vehicle after 2 years, if in market you are getting just 20,000 but your book is showing 60,000, okay, so once again it is a limitation. Use of estimates. Okay. Few accounts terms are dependent upon estimates. As such, bad debt reserve. Bad debts. First, listen about bad debts. Bad debts means one type of loss from the person from whom I have to receive the amount. Supposedly, I have sold the goods and credit to Mr. X for rupees 1 lakh in the month of Feb. He has told that after 25th March, on 25th March, I'll pay you the amount. And on 25th March, he went somewhere else without informing to us. And we were in waiting that yes, amount will come. But he's not there. He haven't paid the amount. So 1 lakh rupees is my bad debt. So from the experience of the business of last few years, I am experiencing that. Since last 5 years, I am incurring such type of losses. So why not better to create a reserve? So that this type of loss will not affect me at the end of the year. So I have created a bad debt reserve. For bad debts, name bad debts, I have created a reserve for that. So that in case by chance, again for this year, anybody went away without informing us, then in that case, better reserve amount will be used. But that is also the estimate. Who has told you that this year, This accounting year also, the same thing will happen. Might be possible, no? In the last 5 years, whosoever has not paid you the amount, they will come and pay you the amount. So this is one type of estimates. Estimates are never correct. Dual standards. Lastly, is my dual standards. In accounting, two books are very much important, which is being prepared at the end of the year. That is, one is profit and loss, and the other is balance sheet. Profit and loss depend upon, is also known as income and expenditure statement. It deals with current situations, income which you are getting, expenditure you are doing. Okay. But balance sheet deals with the historical figures. Balance sheet, we got to write the assets and liabilities. The assets which I have purchased 5 years back, the amount in books you will see the same. Means one is showing the historical balance sheet and the other is current. Okay, so account is also dealing with dual standards. Once again, which is not correct. So the limitations were non-financial transactions, stable value of money, historical transactions or events, avoidance of market values, use of estimates, and the dual standards. Okay, these are the limitations of accounting. Okay, hope so. Still, I can say again and again, I have told you, keep on revising the chapter topics which I am teaching you via video conference, video lectures, online tutoring. Okay, please keep on reading, try to understand it, note it down in the book, keep writing it again and again, then only you will learn it properly. Hope so. You are safe at home. Stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you.